Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I want to show how I received an example of a console and the customer wants a proper workshop drawing. I noticed that some points could be improved to automatically generate a neater workshop drawing. First, I want to look at the assembly. This assembly currently has no specific usage type and consists of 3 sheets. Also, the orientation was not defined in the assembly. I want to show what happens when I create a drawing here. I switch to the sheet and see what automatic workshop drawing has resulted. Now I want to copy this console to obtain a second one, and I will slightly modify this second console. First, I assign a usage type to this console. In HiCAD, there is a usage type called Sheet Assembly, which I select here. Furthermore, I assign a front view to the assembly, which is helpful for the workshop drawing. In the last step, I give this construction, or this assembly, the main part, the main identification, to the rear sheet. Now I want to do the workshop drawing again. Now on a sheet, I see that I have the first console, which I have not modified, and here the second console, where I have already produced all the necessary dimensions for the assembly of the console. This was achieved just by these small, simple tools. It can be that easy to get a workshop drawing if I just follow a few basic rules.